Research methods and research design are two crucial components of the research process, each serving distinct but complementary roles. Here's a breakdown of their similarities and differences, along with examples to illustrate each. Similarities. 1. Purpose in research. Research design provides the overall structure or blueprint for the research project. It outlines how the research question will be answered. Research methods include the specific tools, techniques, and procedures used to collect and analyze data within the framework provided by the research design. Example: in a study on the impact of social media on academic performance, the research design might be a longitudinal study, while the research methods could include surveys, interviews, and academic performance tracking. Two, interdependence. Research design determines what research methods are appropriate. Research methods must align with the research design to ensure the validity and reliability of the results. Example: if the research design is experimental, the research method might involve controlled experiments and random assignment of subjects. Focus on validity. Research design ensures that the study is set up to minimize biases and errors. Research methods implement procedures that ensure data collected is accurate and reliable. Example: a double-blind, placebo-controlled trial design ensures internal validity, and the methods of randomization and blinding are employed to maintain that validity. One, scope. Research design. Broad and comprehensive, covering the entire research process from the formulation of the research question to the dissemination of results. Research methods. Specific and detailed, focusing on the actual techniques and procedures used to collect and analyze data. Example: the research design for a study might be a case study approach, while the methods might include participant observation, document analysis, and in-depth interviews. 2. Function. Research design. Conceptual, focusing on planning and outlining the research project. Research methods. Practical, dealing with the implementation of the research design. Example: in a quantitative research design, the plan might involve using statistical analysis to test hypotheses, while the methods might include using specific software like SPSS or R to perform these analyses. 3. Timing in the research process. Research design. Developed at the initial stages of the research process before data collection begins. Research methods. Implemented during the data collection and analysis phases. Example: for a mixed methods research design, which includes both qualitative and quantitative approaches, the design is decided before starting the research, whereas methods like conducting focus groups, qualitative, and administering questionnaires, quantitative, happen during the data collection phase. Understanding these similarities and differences helps in effectively planning and conducting research, ensuring that the research design is appropriately matched with the methods used, thereby enhancing the study's credibility and reliability. In summary, research design and research methods are integral and interconnected aspects of the research process, each playing distinct roles. While the research design provides a comprehensive plan outlining the overall structure and strategy for addressing the research question, research methods involve the specific tools and procedures used to collect and analyze data within that framework. Both components aim to ensure the validity and reliability of the research findings. Understanding their similarities, such as their mutual focus on purpose, interdependence, and ensuring validity, and their differences, such as scope, function, and timing, enables researchers to effectively plan and execute robust studies.